Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I love saying things and doing things, and I'm super glad to have you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring the bell and keep up with what I'm doing. I have so much exciting things coming. Today we are going to be unboxing and doing some taste tests with the Keto Box. And this is a low-carb care package for your body. The Keto Box is so good. This is the last month of my subscription. The only reason why I'm not going to keep it is because it's expensive for me. But it's worth it to me at the same time. My budget just can't handle it. But at the same time, it's totally worth it because you totally get your money's worth out of the products in here. There's a lot of full-size products and like brownie mixes and cake mixes and drink mixes and drinks. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah! Oh, I'm so excited! I see such good things in here. And this is talking about the keto bombs and stuff. Fat bombs from Slim Fast, and they are usually really good. The ones I've tried, I really liked. And this tells us everything that's in the box, plus gives us discount codes. And we here normally follow a keto lifestyle, but it's the holidays and Rome's been laid up, so we've been cheating. But I'm still going to try these treats because they are delicious. And there's a lot of full-size things in here that I'm totally tickled about. Let me get that lid folded down. And this doesn't tell us a detail about what's in here. It also gives us a code, a discount code for most of the things. And I will tell you the code as we go along. So if you would like to try it out, then you can try it with a code. There's just a couple that don't have a discount code. And the first thing I see, I mean, it's not the first thing I see, but the thing I'm grabbing first is keto-friendly walnut fudge brownie mix. And it is what I believe to be a little cup of 5 net carbs, 0 added sugar. And it's 380 calories for this. And this is just like one of those cups of desserts. And this is really cool that we got one of those in here. I'll put that over there, and that's by Duncan Hines. And interesting fact, Duncan Hines Highway is in Kentucky. Duncan Hines is from Western Kentucky, the namesake of Duncan Hines. Now, these are great. This is Legendary Foods Toaster Pastry. And this is the strawberry one. I've had the cinnamon brown sugar one, and it's so good. These are also a little pricey, but you can use Keto Box 15 for a 15% off discount code for buying their products from eatlegendary.com. And I will tell you that these are really good. They don't taste just like a Pop-Tart, but it totally gives you that Pop-Tart experience that you want. And I've not had the strawberry, so like I always do, I do a little taste test. I'm going to pull this all the way out. And it looks just like a Pop-Tart. But as you can see, the filling kind of bleeds through the back a little bit. And these are good warm, they're good cold. It's not a flaky pastry crust, but it's a tasty crust. And it's a little chewier than you'd expect. It is so good. Very delicious. It's a little chewier than a Pop-Tart, but you kind of expect that from having different, keto items, that you don't get the same, fantastic flakiness from baked products, but it's very good. And this is Highkey stuff. Highkey cookies are so good. They are so good. And this is 15%. You can get 15% off of this peanut butter cookie made with almond flour and peanut butter, 2 net carbs. And 7 pieces is as a serving, and this whole bag has 2 servings in it. And I will tell you that I often get the chocolate chip ones and I eat the whole bag at once. Because wait till you see the size of these cookies. You're going to be like, what, Rhonda? But the discount code is Keto Box 15 off. So the words are spelled out, 15 off. The number is 15 and the word off. And if you go to highkey.com, you can get that 15% off. These cookies are good. They're little, all keto stuff is kind of expensive. Like I can get 3 bags of these, of the chocolate chip cookies from Amazon for about $13. Look at the size of these cookies. They're so tiny. Really good peanut butter flavor. But you do get the cooling effect from the erythritol. But it's super tasty. I've got my water down here. Oh man, those taste so good. Very good. Oh! Now we got more cookies. I love cookies. Oh, there's so much stuff still in here. And this is super fat keto cookie bites. Double dark chocolate chip delicious gluten-free cookies made with grass-fed butter and no added sugar. And it looks like with the carbs is 13 minus 9. So it's 4 grams of carbs a serving, and a serving is about 4 cookies, and this has 2 servings in it. I'm so glad I got my water because this dark chocolate is gonna be interesting. And these cookies are a little bit bigger. They have a little crunch to them. I can tell just by touching them. You do get a dark chocolate feeling, and you can get that cooling feeling you get from erythritol. So if you don't like that, you won't be into these cookies. But they're okay. For double dark chocolate chip, the chips are really hard. I expect more, especially after eating a Highkey cookie. And these super fat cookies, discount code from Shrewd Food, SHREWD food.com, Keto Box 15, and you can save 15%. But they're not as good as the Highkey. Oh my God. Also from Shrewd Food. I am so excited about this. It is dark chocolate dippers, coated protein puffs. So it's kind of like a keto version of a malted milk ball. And this is 1 serving in here. It looks like a little chocolate dipped ball. Oh, hello, Louie. What's up, buddy? You want to smell this? Not bad. You got a crunchy little protein ball in there. And the chocolate that coats it is really good. So, Shrewd Keto Dippers, 2 net carbs for the bag, 8 grams of protein. This is a winner. But you don't get the malted milk thing. But you get that crunchy chocolate dipped flavor, which is really good. Oh man, such good flavorful foods. And there's still more. And that was my 5th thing so far. And you know, this is like a $39.99 box. Should have said that at the beginning. This is How About That low carb, high fat trail mix, nuts, chocolate, and coconut. A sugar-free, keto-friendly snack. And I'm glad it's refillable. It's all clustered up here at the top. I'm trying to... Woo! Trying to get it so I can open it without it all exploding in my face. And let's see. You get 20% off here from howaboutsnacks.com. The promo code is the Keto Box, 20% off. I'm interested in the trail mix. See, you get a ton of things in this box. And so it is worth the money, but I'm just a little broke. Ooh, look at that. That looks really good. It's got all kinds of nuts. The Pop-Tart fell. It's got almonds and pecans and walnuts. And coconut. It's got a good mix of things in here. It's written so tiny on here that even with the glasses and the magnifying glass. Oh, almonds, Brazil nuts, unsweetened coconut, hazelnuts, sea salt, avocado oil. So that's really good. Very nutty. Ooh, trying the stuff out is getting me full. Or taste test it. I'm not trying. I'm trying them on my mouth. All right, Peppermint Bark. Naughty. N-O-T-T-Y. Peppermint dark protein bark with natural peppermint flavor. And you can get 15% off from Naughty, N-O-T-T-Y foods.com. Keto Box 15 gives you 15% off. This is just in time for the holidays. I usually get this box at the beginning of the month. But here it is. When I'm recording this, it is the week of Christmas. And it's going up after Christmas. But it smells really good. Look at that. Very chocolatey, very pepperminty. It tastes like pretty good keto chocolate. And it's got 8 grams of protein in it. And 7 grams of carbs in 3 servings per container, about a third of the bag. Pretty good. So we are on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our 8th product. There's still 3 more things in the box. They get so much stuff in this box. They are the best packers ever. Now, beverages, I usually want to drink them cold. And it's kind of cold because it was in a box in a bag of a truck. And this is grapefruit and ginger. This bottle is super cool. Look how cool this bottle is. And it's sleek. And it's got this great orange writing on the black bottle. And it's got 1 gram of carbs. And it says 0 calories, 0 sugars, 0 sweeteners, 0 colors, 0 taurine, 0 caffeine. Oh, I don't want to drink this at all. This is just going to be unsweetened grapefruit and tangerine or ginger, grapefruit and ginger. I'll see if Ron wants to try this, but this is not my flavor profile whatsoever. Next to last is Keto Queen Creations chocolate cake mix. I always get like great things like cake mix in here. And we've got all kinds of good desserts in here and sweet treats. And this, what you need is 3 eggs, half a cup of sour cream, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or water. And this makes a 1/9" cake. And you line the pan with parchment paper. And it makes 1/9" cake or 12 cupcakes. And it is best by August 24th of 2021. So I got plenty of time to try that out. And this is woman owned. We love women owned stuff here. Because, you know, it's nice to have some women in business for themselves. Women are doing it for themselves and stuff. Anyway, this looks great. So the last thing is a Slim Fast Keto snack bar. It looks like it is strawberry topped cheesecake. I'm trying this. And then we'll do the countdown of how many things we had. And it is a delightful looking little bar. Smells like strawberries. Tastes like cheesecake. Mmm. Pretty good. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. We got 10 things. And they are pretty good. Except for the things that I have to bake and that weird drink. I think it's a great box. And when you break it down, it's pretty cheap because like cake mixes like this are usually between $7.99 and $12.99, depending on where you get it from. So, but everything else breaks down. Price-wise, it's still a really good deal to get so many snacks to try for $39.99. And if I get some more money in the near future, I will resubscribe to this box, and I'm going to miss it because it's totally worth it. That strawberry thing was really pretty good. But I want to thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the Keto Box. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.